Hi, you are welcome to the very first After Effects tutorial. Here I will explain on how to create a video gallery with few simple steps. Even you are not much familiar with After Effects, you can follow the instructions with the steps which I will demonstrate you in next few minutes. At first, by creating the project, I will create a new composition and rename it as alpha. Change the preset for the resolution you want. I have selected here 1080 HD TV of 1920 into 1080 square pixels with 30 frames per second, and we can select the duration for the timeline, and I will select around 10 minutes and hit OK. Here we have created the main composition called alpha. Now we need a background for the video gallery. I'm creating here a new composition called background with previously selected settings. For the background, we can select an image, video or a solid color. Likewise, here I will select a solid layer to apply a solid color to the background and renamed it as BKG solid background. Now we can select a style such as gradient color and searching for gradient variations. Let's try VR color gradient here. Drag and drop to the BKG solid layer. Here with the effects control panel, we can change the settings like the blending of percentage or the gradient power. I'll set it to 45%, and we can change the vertical field of view or horizontal field of view to mix and match the colors. I think it looks good for now, or we can select a gradient ramp or any other effect. Here you can see the gradient with two color variants. Here we can select the center point of the ramp, and we can select where the ramp starts and where the ramp ends. And I will try with different blending options, and I will change the blend with the original color, and I will put it to 50%, around 50%. And here just select a color which blend with white. Can select this orangish color, and you can change the ramp option, radial ramp or a linear wipe likewise. And by changing the blend with original, we can choose a better blending wave. You can see we can adjust the center point of blending, and likewise we can create a background which in a gradient way, or we can add a video or an image as I have already previously explained. Here I am selecting a video to the background which has a slight movements of the background. I will rename creating a folder called background, and I will drag and drop all the background effects and solid layers into the background folder. Okay. And in the main composition alpha, I will drag and drop the background layer into the main composition. And now what we need to do is creating the stage for the videos. I will create a shape layer and rename it as the platform. And on platform, we are creating the videos. We are placing the video in our video gallery. I will create a rectangle from the rectangle tool and adjusting the rectangle likewise. And we can change the fill of the rectangle, or let's solid color of rectangle, and we can change the opacity for the rectangle. I will change the opacity to 30%, around 30%. I will put it as 38% here, and we can change the edges. I can round the edges. That's for a better looking. I will select the roundness around 35. Okay, that looks good. And next we need a camera. I will use a camera for showcase our video gallery, and I will select a node camera with a 50mm lens. Here we are getting a warning that we need to create all the layers in 3D. At first, okay, then you can select the 3D option in each platform and all the objects. For now, we are on the platform, and I'll create a new null object which uses as a center point of the camera, and I will rename it as position. This only changes and which here I will parent the position with the main camera, and thereby we can change the position, the view of angle of the camera by changing the positions transformation option. Here we need to adjust the background or the platform. Here we need to adjust the platform to place the videos on. Here we can change the view. I will select with the camera views with 2 views option. and we need to adjust the panels width and the length as we need to place all the videos. Here I will I'm going to use around 5 videos. I will use 5 videos placing on the platform. For that, we need to adjust the platform width and the length. And also we need to select the position as a 3D object. We need to select all the items here as 3D objects, which the camera sees as 3D options, 3D objects. And next we need to create a new composition called frame to place our videos. What I will do here, leave the previous settings of the composition and change it to the view of single view, and I will use a background rectangle, round rectangle tool. I will use the round rectangle tool here. Just click on it and select the round rectangle tool. Double tap on the rectangle tool icon and a rectangle tool will create. We need to adjust the rectangle and changing the roundness and all. We need to create the frame for the videos. And I will add all the videos here and adding a folder, renaming as resources, and drag and drop all the videos into the resource folder. So I will drag and drop a video to the frame, first frame, and just select. Here you can see at the bottom we need to select alpha matte for the shape layer, and we need to resize the video which fits into the frame. Okay, I have created the first frame for the video, and I will duplicate the frames for all 5 videos. I will rename all the frames as frame 1, 2, as up to 5, and we need to change all the videos in other frames. Drag and drop the videos from the resources folder, and also we need to select the track matte into alpha matte. I need to adjust the frame. To see the video accordingly. I will adjust all the videos, fast forwarding the video here. And all the frames are created and added to the alpha layer, alpha composition. And we need to place all the videos on the platform. I will select a 25-degree of an angle of the videos and placing here likewise, you can see. I'm placing all the videos here. Just adjust the videos on the panel and use a gap in between the back layer, which we can use the camera to move around the platform, around the background. And then we need to select all the videos on the platform which needs to move along with the platform. For that, I will parent all the videos into the platform. And changing the position options of the camera, we can see how the videos are placed on the platform. Here we need a better view in between the first layer and the second layer, which needs to fit into the camera frame. For that, we need a better gap in between those two layers. For that, we need to adjust the platform as much we need for a better view by the camera. So I'll adjust the platform likewise. And now we have a better gap for a better viewing angle. We can check out adjusting the position of the camera, how the videos can be seen. And next we can add some effects like the reflection, like the reflection on the platform. So that I will duplicate each video and adjust the shadow. To make that shadow more realistic, we can use linear wipe on the shadowed video. I will add the linear wipe effect to the frame, to the duplicated frame, the shadow frame we have created, and we need to change the wipe angle as 180 degrees, and then I will change the transition completion to make it look like more realistic, around 50 or 60%. And we have to use the feather option to wipe out. I will set it to 100. Okay, that looks good. We need to adjust the shadow frame aligning with the original video. Okay, I will try adjusting the linear wipe settings. We just need a little bit of shadow that will make it more realistic. Okay, then we can use another effect. I will use a blur option. We can use Gaussian blur that will make the shadowed video looks blurry, the reflection over the platform. I'll set the blurriness around 25%. Now let's try 30, or we can reduce. 25 will be good. And what we have to do next is adding all the shadowed for other videos on the platform, so we can copy the effects which we have applied to the previous video. Likewise, fast forwarding the video, and I have finished adding all the shadows for the videos, and this is how all the videos with the shadow is look like. Here we can change the aperture, the focus distance, or the depth of field while turning on to make a better view from the camera, better view from the camera angle. We can adjust how the video we need to create, focusing on each video on the platform. Changing the focus distance. We can have a more realistic camera view. we need to match and balance the focus distance and the aperture according to the scenario we need to create. Likewise, you can play with the settings, adjusting to make your video a better one. Like the video if you have learned something, and please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.